That's Crusoe. See how you've got a beautiful walk-in shower? On some YouTube videos I see that they jackhammer out the concrete floor. Whoa, what a job. Or they cut down the joists to make the to make it lower in the shower so they can stick down the rest of the bathroom floor. Just build the sucker up. This is only 20 mil with the carpet. It's 20 mil above my carpet. And when you're opening the door, like Australia is used to this, as you open the door you're stepping over 20 mil, which is 3/4 of an inch. Instead of chopping down your joists or chopping into a concrete floor. Whoa, that's a biggie. This is my most favourite way of putting in a floor waste. I always use a bit of mud. I've shown another way that you have a piece of tile across and you do it with a one of those plastic ties. That's another way. This is my most favourite because, see that, if you were wondering what I was doing, I'm just running my hand around there, making sure that it's nice and feels good to the touch, to these little suckers. Then I've cut my centerpiece. A bit of polyurethane there. Just like that. Just like that. Tip it over on its flat like that. Tip it over on a flat surface. Push down and you know you're bang on. You're bang on flush. That's a bit of a cheap waste, but it looks nice when it's done. I prefer the more expensive ones. I reckon they look a little bit better, but that's just being a little bit anal. Okay, so now that when I come back tomorrow, that will be full on solid. I can walk on it. We're laughing. I'll shoot around. I'm doing 6x3 tiles, similar colour or pretty close to the same colour. 6x3 walls, so I'll shoot up that wall first, the front one, then the sides. We're laughing. I'll pick up some architrave and go around that window. What shall I do? Shall I do an architrave or tile into the window? I'm making myself work, creating work if I tile into the window. I don't reckon it needs it in this case, so I'll pick up some architrave, bang on the architrave. I'll get a little, I'll make sure it's a little bit bigger, an 18mm profile, and we're good to go. So I'll make my list. I'm off home. This floor has taken 4 hours. Once it's dry tomorrow, I can hook into it. It's easier to do that, way easier to do that when I'm standing on it. That's beautiful, beautiful fall. Heaps and heaps and heaps of fall. Why I love the strip drain is you haven't got untold relief cuts and full on, you know, your floor is going all over the place to get down the waste, which is in the centre. When you've got a strip drain like that, it's just going one way and that's straight down to the strip drain. You got a bit of a tilt on the sides to bring that water down. Beautiful, absolute beautiful. This is Chriso signing off. Join the crowd, people that are watching my videos. You won't miss out on anything. There's heaps. This is only the beginning. So lean on in, people. There's heaps to look at, heaps to learn. See ya.